Hello everyone, and welcome back to Spice and Easy Kitchen. Hope you're all doing great. Today's recipe is sardines. We prepare them in a slightly different way, a unique twist on the usual marinade. For our sardines today, we need 1 kilogram of clean sardines. I've already cleaned them and removed the bones. Now let us look at the spices. Here I have 1 full teaspoon of dried coriander, a generous teaspoon of paprika, and 2 small spoons of dried parsley, 1 small spoon of dried onion. A little salt, not too much, since we also add soy sauce. 1 small spoon of garlic powder and the juice of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil or a mix, whatever you have. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. If yours is thick, use a small spoon and add 1 spoon of water to lighten it. We also need about a quarter cup of water. Now let us move to the preparation. In a bowl, add the oil 2 tablespoons. Add the soy sauce, the lemon juice, and the quarter cup of water. Then add all the spices. Mix everything well. It is best to use your hands so the flavors blend quickly. That helps all the ingredients come together nicely. Now we marinate the sardines in this mixture like this. Make sure they are well coated, then let them rest for about half an hour. After that, we continue with the next step. Once the sardines have marinated for about an hour, arrange them neatly in a baking tray lined with parchment paper, or lightly greased with oil if you don't have paper. Bake at 200 C for 25 to 30 minutes. Then we come back to finish and serve them. Now my sardines are almost done, about 10 minutes left before they are ready. Here I have 1 small spoon of butter. You can replace it with oil if you prefer. I also have 2 grated garlic cloves. Add half a small spoon of paprika. And add a little water, just enough so the garlic and paprika don't burn. Let them soak lightly. Add a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything together. Keep the heat low. Add a pinch of salt, not too much, since the fish already has some. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Now add about 100 ml of fresh cream. Then add 2 tablespoons of water to lighten the sauce. Let it simmer over low heat for 5 minutes and our sauce is ready. This sauce goes perfectly with sardines or any kind of fish. When serving, be careful as it stays hot. Don't touch it directly. Now we'll turn off the heat and serve it with our fish. And here is the final presentation of our sardine dish. I added some fraise on the side and poured the sauce on top like this. Everyone can drizzle as much sauce as they like. This is the final look after decorating with the sauce. For individual servings, I plated it with salad and fries as usual. The fish is topped with our creamy sauce. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. The fish only took about 20 minutes to bake, perfectly cooked and tender. Hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated with all new recipes. See you in the next video.